Welcome to this Precision Sorter HMI tutorial video. Let's get you up and running by going over the basic operation of this HMI. First up is the home screen, where you will navigate to the main Precision Sorter operation screen. Check on some settings, or visit the help screen. Let's start by selecting the Start Sorting option. On this page, you can control the starting and stopping of the conveyor and the bands by simply pressing the corresponding icon. To control the speed of either the sorter bands or the sorter conveyor, drag the indicator icon to the left to slow the speed down and to the right to increase the speed. From this screen, you can also visit the help page or head back to the home screen. Back at the home screen, you can navigate to settings. On the settings page, you'll see some data tracking and links to other settings for your machine. You can also click on the home icon to head back to the main screen. Lastly, you can click the help button to find the email and phone number for our customer service team as well as our sales team. And that's it! A streamlined HMI for an intuitive sorting process. Please reach out with any questions not addressed in this video. To help keep your screen clean, we recommend using the provided touchscreen stylus. Happy harvesting from all of us here at GreenBroz.